Welcome to Plants Health Benefits. Meet your new health friend, cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are more than just a delicious treat. They're packed with heart-healthy fats, perfect for keeping your ticker in top shape. Need an energy boost? Cashews are loaded with magnesium, giving you that extra pep in your step. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants, helping you fight off those pesky free radicals. And get this, just a handful can keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your health goals. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, grab a handful of cashew nuts. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tasty tips. Happy snacking!